AI videos like these are blowing up crazily across all platforms. I'm talking TikTok, YouTube, Facebook. Even if you just open a new account and you start, you're going to be getting a lot of likes. And the good thing about this is they are monetizable and creators are making a lot of money from it. You can also work with brands when you create videos like this. Guys, even if you are just starting out, I'm going to show you step by step in the easiest and simplest ways. I used just my mobile phone and I used free tools. I didn't even have to pay for a single one. If this is your first time here, hello and welcome. I'm Glory C and this is AI with Glory C, where I teach you how to use different AI tools for different functions. So if this sounds like something you want for your own channel, I will encourage you to go ahead, hit the subscribe button. Like I would always say, it's free of charge. And do not forget to give us a big thumbs up on this one. With that being said, let's jump right into it. Now, the first thing you want to do is to note the objects that you want to use for this purpose. So for this first one, I'm going to be using these two fans. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want fan A, that's the mommy fan, to be able to carry fan B. Do you understand? And it's going to walk to where fan B is to carry fan B, that's baby fan. Now watch what I'm going to do. I will place my fan A here, all right, and place fan B here. Okay, I'm now going to go ahead and take a snapshot of it. I'll just use my phone camera to snap it. The next thing I'm going to do will be to go to my chat GPT. I'm now going to bring in that particular image that I just took, that picture, into chat GPT, and I'm going to give it this particular prompt. I'm going to tap on plus, okay, and then photos, all right, and then I'm going to bring in that particular one. Okay, so this is the particular picture. Okay, so I'm going to say, so this is what I typed, right? I typed maintaining the same image, let the green fan have hands and place a white chair beside the pink fan. Okay, I'm going to then this is something that I usually tell ChatGPT. I'll tell it, if you do not understand, ask me questions. Okay, and I'm just going to go ahead to send it. If ChatGPT doesn't understand something, because you've told it, if it doesn't understand, it should ask you, it will go ahead to ask you. Usually this just helps to, you know, remove unnecessary delays. So let's see what it's going to create for us. Can you see, guys? So you can see that fan A, our mommy fan, already has hands, and then you can see fan B, the baby fan, is still there. Then we have a white chair beside them. So give ChatGPT the right prompt so it can give you exactly what you need. I actually want it to have legs, this green fan, so I'm still going to go ahead and say, I'll just copy this one again and paste it here and say, let it have legs. Let the green fan have hands and legs. Okay, all right, so I'm still going to, I'll press this plus button and add this one because I've already saved this one. So I'll just go ahead to photos. Can you see I've saved it? I'm going to add it. Done. All right, because I already have the white chair, there's no need to put that one again. Let me just remove that fan that I put there. Okay, so what I put is maintaining this same image, let the green fan have hands and legs. If you do not understand, ask me questions. Okay, now I already removed that other part where I put white chair and all of that so that it will not complicate the image for me. So I'm just going to go ahead and send. So let's see the image that it's going to generate for us. Guys, look what we have here. Look what we have here. So you can see, so I'm just going to go ahead, I'll save this one again. Ensure it gets saved to your phone. Okay, I'll just go ahead to save it. Oh my goodness, I'm loving this. Like, AI is just so sweet. Okay, and you can see how easy it is. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go over to Grok. So I'm going to access it via the website. So this is my browser. I'm just going to type grok.com. Okay, and then I'm going to send it. All right. Now, once I am here, the next thing I'm going to just do is to tap on what? These three lines that are here. Then I'm going to tap on Imagine. Okay, so once I'm on Imagine, the next thing I'm just going to do is to come up here to where I have Upload Image. I'm just going to tap on Upload Image. I will tap on Photo Gallery. Okay, I'll tap on Photo Gallery. It has redirected me into my page, into my gallery. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and tap on this particular one right here. All right, and then tap on Add. Now, one thing about Grok is immediately you send an image, Grok automatically starts to generate a video from that particular image sometimes, except if you change the setting. So what you want to do is to actually give it your own prompt. All right. So where you can see type to edit image, I'm going to come there and I'm going to say, maintaining this same image, let the green fan with hands and legs walk to the pink fan and carry it and place it on the white chair. So I'm just going to go ahead and do what? I will send it. Okay, now before I send it, can you see what we have right here? I'm going to go ahead and tap on it. Okay, so once you tap on it, you have to pick the aspect ratio you are looking for. So if you are looking to upload on maybe TikTok, you have to go for 9:16. If you are looking to make a YouTube long form video, you have to pick 16:9. If you are looking to make maybe an Instagram post, something that's square-ish, you have to pick 1:1. So it just depends on what you want. They already have the different shapes designating the platform. Okay, so I'm going to just tap on, let's say I want to use 9:16. Although ChatGPT already generated for me in 1:1, I think. Okay, 9:16. So let's still pick 9:16. Okay, I'm now going to tap make video. Okay, make video. Okay, so now that I've tapped on that, now that I've tapped on that, I'm still going to put in my prompt again. I'm just going to go ahead and hit send. Okay, this send button. So you can see generating. So let's just wait and see what Grok generates for us eventually. Okay, so let us just play it. Let's see. Guys, oh my goodness, can you see how beautiful it is? So I'm just going to go ahead and tap on download. Okay, tap on download and it's going to download directly into my phone. So let me just create one more. So what I'm going to do is to go ahead and take a picture of it. So I'm just going to go over to my camera icon and then go to where I have picture, and then I'm just going to snap it. Please ensure you snap it clearly. Okay, let me clean the back camera. Okay, so now that I've taken a snapshot, the next thing I'm just going to do is to go over to ChatGPT. So let me just go to where ChatGPT is, and then I'm going to bring in my image. Okay, photo library. I'll tap on photo library, okay? And then I'll tap on that beautiful image. I'm already excited to see what it's going to have for us. And I'm just going to go ahead to type, maintaining this same image, let the green fan have hands and legs. Let the pink fan also have hands and legs. Let the pink fan be standing on its legs. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and send it. So let's see what ChatGPT is going to generate for us. Wow, guys, see what it generated for us. It even gave us two different images. So it said, which image do you like more? I actually love image 2 because if we see image 1, it's even, look at the way it's standing. The other one is standing on 2 legs on its side. So let me just say image 2. Yeah. Now the next thing, we are going to go back into Grok.com. Okay, so we are back to Grok.com. So the next thing I'm going to just do is to come up here to upload image. I'll just tap on it, tap on photo library. Okay, I'll come here and upload the image, tap on the image, I'll tap on add. Remember that Grok immediately starts to, work on it if you do not set it up well. So I'm going to just come here and then tap on make video. Okay, then I will type what I want. Okay, so I typed, maintaining the same image, let the green fan walk to the flower, pick up the flower, and the green fan walks to meet the pink fan. Let me just put walks back. And the green fan walks back to meet the pink fan and gives it the flower. The pink fan collects it and says, I love you. Let's just see what it's going to create. So I'm going to go ahead and send it. After this step, we're going to go into the final step of putting everything together. Okay, so it has generated. Anyways, let's play. Let's see. I love you. Guys, I love you. Oh my goodness. So I'll come here again. Let me pause. I'll come here, tap on it, and download. Let's just go over to CapCut. So this is the final stage where we're going to just merge the two together. Okay, so we just go ahead and tap on new project, and good for us, Grok already added background sound, so we don't even need to stress with that. So I'm just going to go over to my videos and then bring in the first video and then the second video, and then I'm going to just add, okay, and then play. You can decide to add any transition if you want. Okay, let me show you what I tapped on. I tapped on this to add transition. Okay, so maybe we'll add this one. Just try it now. Okay, so let's play it. I love you. I love you. So if you feel like adding your own voice over to this, maybe you just want to say something interesting beneath the video, what you can just do is to come over to audio, tap on audio, then come to where you have record, tap on record, then you just tap on this place to start recording, and it's going to just record your voice over for you. Do you understand? It will record it. You can see what I'm doing. So it's already recording what exactly I'm saying. So that's basically it. And once you are done, all you just need to do is to come here, come to your voiceover that you just created, tap on, ensure it is selected. If it's selected, you're going to have this white stuff around it. Tap on volume and then increase the volume. Do you understand? It will record it. Okay, so that it will sound very well. And then once you are done with everything, you feel everything is very good, you've added maybe your text, that's your subtitles, you come here to add subtitle, okay, auto caption. All right, once you've done all of those things, you just come here to export, okay, and then you just save the video to your gallery. And boom, just upload on any platform. Guys, this thing is not even going to take you up to 10 minutes to create. It's because I'm doing a tutorial. That's why, I had to step by step show you how to do it. So it is super, super easy. You can start doing it on your TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, and start making a lot of money, because trust me, videos like this, people would always find them entertaining. People will always find them interesting. If you need a one-on-one coaching with me, you can reach out to me via the email address on your screen, or you reach out to me on any of my other social media platforms. I'm Glory C on all social media platforms, and I'll see you on my next one or this one. Bye bye.